So we've talked about why Python is good for streamlining your software. We've talked about why Moku works for streamlining your hardware. Now let's put Moku and Python together. So we have a Moku Python API. API is application programming interface. So it basically does the translation for you. So you see there's like a sample script on the right here. All you do is simply import the Moku module and you can start communicating with all of your instruments right away. We've done all of the wrapping up of the commands for you. There's no visa drive, there's no visa required, no Skippy commands, no drivers. You simply install the Moku package and you're ready to go. So any function of this instrument or any of the instruments available on a Moku can be done through Python. And as we said, it's updated over the air. So we're continuously supporting and adding new features and keeping the Moku Python API updated as well so that you can use all those features in your Python code.